catch it. Unti na lang. Kaya mo yan.
Ano po?
Asian, sana Asian tayo ng Asian. Sana Asian. Sana talaga Asian. You're gonna catch it.
Ano po?
That Team is actually gonna catch it. Timothy's gonna actually catch it. What the hell? Yes! Nakatakot sila dito.
Nagulat ako dun ah. Akala ko ikaw nakakuha.
Akala ko nga ikaw eh. Akala ko nga din ako eh.
Ako lang pala. Nagulat.
Unti na lang. Easy. Do not let it eat.
Baka lalaban ko. Sabi ko, baka lumaban.
You can actually cut it. Ano kaya kung AA8 ka? Guys, don't
I
fight!
wasn't prepared for this.
Yes! He catch it! He actually catch it! Asian! Nakuha siya ng Meg! Asian! Di na kainin ako!
I got Asian.
Congrats! Holy shit!
Negative. I got it. Negative pa.
I got it!
Adyo, ito nung jet ski mo.
Holy shit! Let's go, guys.
Negative pa?
Let's go. Bro, sabi sa'yo, oh, bro, can I have me? Please give. Lol, what the hell? It's his. Dali mo nakabuli pa tayo. Okay.
I got a wig.
Oh God. Ano yun? Dito ba yun?
I know na ang
Tignan mo kung magkano. Yeah, sure. Paano mababa? Halika na. Hindi ko na po. This is a big boy. Nakuha sa'yo. Kala ko makukuha ko din eh. 50,000 kg na talaga yun. Pero kasi, each weight doesn't affect how much it is yours. Pa-index muna. Napam. Hindi mo dito. Oh, God. Negative, weh. Here. Gas is negative. Here. Okay. This is so good. Thank you for that. You're actually so lucky.
worth it yung pa-clip ko.
Yeah.
Worth it yung pa-clip ko.
Yeah, that was actually so great. What the hell? This is big. Asian pot negative. Damn. Sabi ko naman Asian eh. Sana Asian makuha mo. Sabi ko talaga. Congrats to you, my
Itong
friend.
usabi siya dito. I finally got it.
Congrats to you, bro. I'm actually so proud. Sana all. Pero sayang hindi ko rin nakuha.
I finally got a shotix.
Sayang hindi ako nakuha.
Akala nyo di ba yung kakun ko lang may alam mo anong ko bakit dito nakakuha na nakaalala siya bakit dito
Bro be like, please give. Bro be like, sabi niya, what? But no! But try, but no. Sabi niya kasi, what sorry but no? Please. Bro, please give, bro. No. No, this is it. No. Galing. Congrats. Congrats. Asian food, dang. Yeah.